Hi everyone, thanks for joining this Conf42 Machine Learning event 2025. I'm excited today to share this machine learning for the advanced document management systems. In this session, we will see how we can leverage this machine learning for the advanced document management system, revolutionizing the efficiency, compliance, and automation. In today's fast-paced business environment, organizations face increasing challenges in managing the vast amounts of document data. And whether it's invoices, contract, the insurance claims, or the regulatory documents, efficiently extracting and analyzing this data is very crucial for operational efficiency and compliance. And Microsoft Machine Learning offers a powerful platform to address these challenges by integrating AI and machine learning technologies with the document management systems, enabling the automation and data driven insights and streamline the workflows across the industries, including the life sciences, the healthcare, insurance, and general purpose operations. And my name is Reddy. I'm a Microsoft certified professional, a technology specialist, and also play like a Microsoft 365 cloud architect, and I play a technical manager. So for the various projects which I work on through my 17 years of IT industry experience. Coming to this machine learning for the document management system, we will see the various extraction methodologies or the models and how we can leverage this machine learning for our document system into the various industries. When coming to this topic, automated data extraction and the classifications, we see like how it reduces the manual effort, the cost reduction, and the intelligent classifications. When it comes to the manual effort, the Azure Machine Learning automates the data extraction from the various document types. It's significantly reducing the manual data entry and the associated human errors. When it comes to the cost reduction, the companies using this AI-powered document processing see up to 30 to 50% reduction in operational costs related to data entries, operational costs related to data entry tasks. And the intelligent classification. Intelligent classification is like a machine learning. Azure machine learning classifies the models, classifies and tag the documents based on the content categorization them into the relevant groups for efficient retrieval. Azure AI document intelligence, which is formally formed like a form recognition, it extracts all the structured data such as the dates, amount, the names, and the product details and the ID card details from the various documents like the invoices, contracts, and regulatory forms, and streamlining the information management process. When it comes to the search capabilities, when it comes to the search capabilities, that in the document management system, search capabilities plays a critical role because like for the business users, where they search for the particular document. In the traditional approach, they use the keyboard to search for the document and use yes, how we are enhancing the security, like how about this, how to differentiate between the general documents and the sensitive document, and for showing for one department the document should not be shown, and for one department it has to be shown, like the for HR document cannot be shown to the employees, and the employees doc sensitive business documents cannot be shown to the customers. So in this way, like how we enhance this machine learning, we will see how this machine learning enhances the search capabilities. When it comes to the traditional approach, semantic analysis and improved results. In the traditional approach is nothing but a keyboard-based methods often fall with the short, ambiguous terms. When it comes next to the semantic analysis, Azure Artificial Intelligence analyzes the context and the intent behind the queries. Improved results is because it returns the relevant documents even with the incomplete search terms. Azure Artificial Intelligence search enhances the document retrieval by understanding the meaning behind the search queries rather than just the keyboards what it is. This is particularly valuable for the large document repositories where the traditional search models often fall in return more relevant results. And coming to the one of the key area for the vision learning for document management system is like automating document workflows. How we can automate the document workflows from the manual approach to the traditional approach to the advanced workflow systems. Whenever the business upload the document either into the Microsoft SharePoint as a repository or to the blob storage repository. And when the document is uploaded, what this artificial intelligence, what it will do, it will analyze this with the help of this machine learning, Azure machine learning. It analyzes, classifies, and extracts the key data of that document, and it transforms into the workflow trigger. At a workflow trigger, here the Microsoft uses the advanced workflow systems like a Microsoft Power Automate and Azure Logical Apps, Azure Function Apps, which are built on top of this Microsoft Cloud. So, in the which workflow trigger system indicates the notifications, updates, or the approval process parallel upwards. And it has also facilities to connect with the external connectors like a business to business B2B integrations, and to perform these automated documents workflows and transforming to the next completion status. The process, it process the completes with a minimal human interventions. We use something like here the Azure Logical Apps and Azure Functions enable the automation of the document workflows, significantly reducing the manual intervention and accelerating the decision making. According to the recent data, automating the workflows can lead up to the 40% of the operational efficiency. This document workflows plays the automating the document workflows in this IT industry for the various of the domains like insurance, the life sciences, the health, the pharma, and retail. These are all the IT domains which are heavily dependent on the document management system and the enterprise content management system. And the metadata is very crucial here, and it also the classifications and between the sensitive data and the non-sensitive data and the record retentions, and these are all the plays a very critical role even with from one process when the workflow is processing from one department to the another department. And this is how the Azure machine learning helps the business help the business users through this document management system process. And when it comes to this compliance and security monitoring, this compliance and security monitoring is also one of the key critical area for the Azure machine learning with the document management system. The compliance and security monitoring, how we do this, like document analysis, compliance verification, issue detection, and automated deduction. Automated deduction is nothing but a hiding or removal of the certain information. The document analysis machine learning models scan for regulatory compliance, and compliance verification final check against the industry regulations. Issue detection system flags sensitive and non-compliant information. Automated deduction NLP models identify and redact P11.3, and compliance is a major concern for the IT industries like the health industries, healthcare, finance, and the life sciences. Azure machine learning helps address these challenges by analyzing the documents for compliance with the industry regulations such as like HIPAA, ISO, and FDA federal regulations requirements. Research shows that automated compliance monitoring using artificial intelligence can reduce the likelihood of regulatory violations by up to 70% of mitigating the risk of costly data breaches and penalties. When it comes to the industry specific applications, like the insurance, the healthcare, and the life sciences, automates the claims processing and the fraud detection by analyzing the data patterns and the historical claims by reducing the processing time by reducing the processing time and enhancing the customer satisfaction. And when it comes to the healthcare area, it processes the patient records information while ensuring the HIPAA compliance, improvising the care coordination, and reducing the administrative burden. The life sciences, when it comes to the life sciences, it automates the quality management system processing, ensuring the SOP based and audit reports compiling with the regulatory standards while tracking the document revisions. Azure Machine Learning provides a tailored solutions for different industries addressing their unique document management challenges by evaluating the documents quickly and efficiently. Organizations can also streamline the operations while maintaining the compliance with the industry specific regulations. This is all about the industry specific applications. When it comes to the data analytics and visualizations, it's not about always the how the raw data in the document management system and it is helping the business. It's also in the modern world of this one. The data can be converted through the data analytics and the visualization for the base of easy understanding, the easy calculation, and for the decision making. When it comes to the interactive dashboards, the trend analysis and compliance tracking. When it comes to the interactive dashboard, the custom Power BI dashboards visualizes extracted document data and it's enabling the stakeholders to track the key metrics at a glance. When it comes to the trend analysis, the visual representation of a document, processing the trends helps the identifying of the patterns and the opportunities improvement. Tracking. Compliance tracking is all about the real-time visualization of compliance metrics, enables the proactive management of regulatory requirements. Azure's integration with the tools like the Power BI transforms the extracted data into the actionable insights. In quality management systems, users can visualize audit findings. Like audit findings, we can say of the systems and the risk assessment and the document status, whether it's in like a draft status, approved status, approval, pending approval, rejection status, and enabling the informed decision making based on the real time data. Scalability and security. In this scalability and security measures, you will see how the enterprise grade security happen, the cloud native infrastructure, how the native infrastructure is happening, and how the role-based access controls is helping, and the data encryption. Enterprise grade security, comprehensive protection for sensitive documents. It's just like how we are making the documents like once the document is uploaded and when it passes the certain stages of the approval process, that the document has to get locked his state by making through the record management of the part of the document management system. How the cloud native infrastructure, not only always with the security of these external tools, and how the infrastructure also backed by this system, and how it is helping this document management system. It is through this backed by the Azure Kubernetes service. You can also call it as a Kubernetes as a K8 service. And the role-based access controls particularly in the document management system, the role-based access controls are very, very crucial between the departments, between the users. For example, for the insurance documents, it can be from the policies, the claims, or the re-policies, the casualties department, personal property, and various kinds of insurance things. Between the department, the document should not be shown. How we achieve this? It is achieved through the role-based access control. It means adding a granular permission management, like a unique permissions. Only see the document who are eligible to see the document, not the other business customers or the customers or any department. Data encryption is crucial. Like it has to be like a end-to-end protection. It's not to be exposed to the third one, right? So end-to-end protection, which is like a one-to-one kind of thing. And machine learning provides Azure robust security features, ensuring that sensitive information remains protected. As the organizations scale their operations, Azure machine learning infrastructure ensures that machine learning models can be applied at a scale of the real-time inference without compromising the performance or the security. When it comes to this implementation benefits, we should also see that whenever we are implementing a system, whenever we are utilizing some technology, the models, the artificial intelligence, whether it can be a cloud or enterprise or document, whatever the system, we need to see whether that the cost reduction is there or not, whether we are gaining the efficiency gain is there or not, whether it is part of the compliance is improving or not. Here, when it comes to the implementation benefit, there is a 50% of cost reduction decrease in the operational cost related to the document processing, and reducing the manual thing, increasing the efficiency. And it's like a 40% of efficiency gain, an improvement in the operational efficiencies, and through this workflow automations. plays a key role in eliminating the manual process and the manual approaches. And 70% of the compliance improvement, it's not only about the automation or the cost reduction, it also improves the compliance improvement by in reducing the likelihood of these regulatory violations. Organizations implementing the machine learning for the document management see a significant measurable benefits. These improvements translate to better resourcing allocation, allowing the teams to focus on strategic tasks instead of manually administrating work while maintaining a high compliance standards. Coming to this, coming to this roadmap, when it comes to the plural machine learning models or methodology, so we will see how the roadmap will be there. The one is like the assessment and planning. It is any implementation roadmap, whether it's a machine learning, whether it's artificial intelligence, or it's the cloud, or the standard waterfall, or any process, any project we start, it goes with the plan. It's like assessment and planning, model development and training, integration and deployment, and optimization and the expansion. So when it comes to the first one, the assessment and planning, so what it does, like in an assessment and plan, we evaluate the current document process, identify the pain points, and define specific objective goals for the machine learning implementation. Determine which document types and the number of the workflows, the type of the workflows will benefit from the automation. It can be workflows when I mentioned like the type of the workflow, whether it's automated or it's a diamond or it is scheduled based or it's trigger based on other action, or it can be like a business to B2B workflows, or it can be like a customized workflows or connecting workflows trigger based on another workflow. So this kind of the automation benefit, this kind of workflows, which will benefit for most of the automation from the automation. When it comes to the model development and training, so in this model development and training, this is the next stage. This is the next stage to the assessment and the planning. In this model development, we start with what we gathered the and what we planned in the first phase of the assessment and planning. In this model, we completely concentrate on developing and training Azure methodology models specific to your document types and the business requirements here. So here, if we don't do again analysis, we'll just do an improvement in case of any assessment according to the development. But all the assessment will happen at the first stage and the planning will happen at the first stage. So in this development, we just train the Azure methodology model specific to the document types and the business requirement. This includes the data extraction models and the classification systems and the compliance verification tools. And next comes to the once the assessment and the planning is completed, and once we complete the development and training, then what? Then it's like the integration, and we have to deploy somewhere what we develop. Right. So the develop integration deployment integrate the Azure machine learning solution with the existing document management systems and the workflows that has been developed in the second stage of the model development and training. Deploy those models to the production environments or from the lower environments to the upper environments with appropriate monitoring and the security controls. Once this deployment is completed, we will go to the next process of the step like optimization and how we can expand this process. Like that what we have done from the assessment and planning and doing the development and after the integration and deployment. So we have to see where we can expand this kind of solutions into the other systems. Like a continuously optimization. What is an optimization? It's like a continuously improvise the model accuracy and expand implementation to additional document types and business processes based on measured results. Conclusion and revolutionizing the document management. It is enhanced operational in revolutionizing the document management. Here in this section, you'll see how the enhanced operational efficiency, improved compliance we discuss, and data-driven insights and superior customer experience. The customer experience is the most important thing for all the work we have done through this machine learning for the document management system. So for anything, the customer experience is the most top priority in the project. So enhanced operational efficiency in the significant improvements in the processing time and the cost savings through the AI-powered automation. Improved compliance, how the better the adherence to the regulatory requirements with the automated monitoring and the verification. Data-driven insight, transformation of a document data into actionable business intelligence, superior customer experience, the faster response times and more accurate information delivery. So integrating, we can achieve all these things by integrating the machine learning with the document management system, and present opportunities to optimize the document processing to ensure compliance, improve data accessibility, and automated workflows. In the real world results speak for themselves, with the business seeing a significant improvement across all the operational metrics. And we'll come to the final section of this section, and we have seen how the machine learning for the document management is revolutionizing the complexities and helping the business, insurance, the life sciences. And here we'll also see in the real time how it is getting benefited to the industries. We'll take an example for the insurance, life sciences, and how the AI in Microsoft for the document management is helping. Because the Microsoft SharePoint is the leading software for the document management system in the IT industries. And we will see how the machine learning impact on the real business. So the insurance, the machine learning significantly transforming the insurance industry with the integration of the AI and the process of this claims management has become much faster and efficient. The AI algorithms are now capable of analyzing the historical claims data, identifying the patterns that can be used to predict the fraud or assess the risk levels. In addition to this, the claims processing time is reduced as AI automates such as the administrative work, providing the faster claim resolutions. Machine learning also improves the customer satisfaction by automating the responses and offering the personalized recommendations. Here in this life sciences, when it comes to the life sciences, when to the real business, in this life sciences sector, the AI and the machine learnings are used to automate the quality management systems. It's called in the life sciences, we mostly call it as the terms like the QMS, the IR information research, and the QMS is like a quality management systems, and in the commercial systems and the patient care. And these are all the things which we use during this life sciences, like standard operational procedures, which are called the ESOPs, and the COPAs, like corrective actions and the preventive actions, ensuring the compliance and the regulatory standards by tracking the document revisions, auditing the reports, and ensuring that standard operating procedures SOPs are followed. AI artificial intelligence ensures that all processes meet the industry standards. This particularly important in industries where the compliance is critical, such as the FDA or other regulatory authorities. Additionally, the data analytics powered by this machine learning, it helps the researchers or who are performing the CTMS, like a clinical trials management systems, and it makes the more discoveries quickly, improving the overall research and development. AI in SharePoint document management system. In the case of the Microsoft SharePoint, machine learning has improved the document management systems by automating the document classification and the analysis using Azure machine learning. The documents are categorized into the relevant groups based on their content, which improves the efficiency of the document retrieval. Furthermore, the workflow automation powered by AI can trigger the actions such as the notifications, updates, or scheduling the documents for the migrations, archival. This reducing the manual effort required for the compliance and sensitive industries like the healthcare or the insurance. The AI models scan for regulatory compliance, ensuring that all documents adhere to necessary industry standards. And this is how we all discuss about the machine learning for the document management systems. We have covered what are the automated solutions for the workflows. We have covered for the compliance and security. We have covered the agent models. We have covered about how it is impacting the real business, and we have covered about the process flow of the machine learning in the document management systems. And thank you very much. Thank you very much. And thank you very much for patience for joining the live event of the Conference 42 Machine Learning event. And thanks for to the Config 42 team for providing me an opportunity to showcase and present the deep dive analysis and deep dive investigation things through the machine learning for the document management systems. Hope you enjoyed this event, and once again, thanks for joining this event.